Dataflows are a powerful tool in Peakboard Designer for transforming and manipulating your data. Your data is processed step by step. A data flow is always based on a data source or another data flow. Add a data flow with a right-click and name it. You will now see your base data source. Add a new step here. The steps are divided into 6 categories. When you select a data flow step, you can see an animation on the right that shows you the effect of the step. Add your steps and follow the changes by clicking through the individual steps. It may be that the changes are not yet displayed correctly in the overview. Switch to the preview mode in the Peakboard Designer to see your data in real time. You can add as many steps as you like to your data flow until your data has the desired format. You can also create further data flows based on one data flow. Finally, under Reload Status, you can also set whether the data flow should be updated at the start of the visualization, at a selected interval, from a reload flow, or together with its source. When you have finished processing your data, link it to your elements on your screen. Don't forget to start the preview to see your data in real time. In the description, you will find the link to the video where we explain each data flow step. In the next video, we will show you how to work with variables to store data.